devices. Some electronic devices, such as cell phones, may not be used in flight at any time. You can find a list of approved devices in the in-flight information section of Sky Magazine. There are signs throughout the cabin, and federal regulations state that everyone should observe these signs, as well as any flight attendant instructions. Smoking is not allowed on any Delta flight, and regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying a restroom smoke detector. Your seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap anytime the seatbelt sign has been turned on. When fastening, place the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the strap. Simply lift the top to release. Even if the seatbelt light is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. If cabin pressure changes, the panels above your seat will open and oxygen masks will fall. Reach up and place the mask over your nose and mouth and tighten around your head using the elastic bands. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Please remember to secure your own mask before helping others. There are 10 exits on the plane today, 6 doors, 3 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used as a raft. There are 2 additional rafts located in ceiling compartments, one in the front and one in the rear of the plane. If there is a loss of electrical power, white emergency lights near the floor lead to red lights and show the way to the exit doors. Please take a moment to find the exit closest to you and keep in mind that it could be behind you. In the case of an emergency, you may use the life vest found under or between your seats. Simply remove the vest from its pouch by pulling on the tab. Place the vest over your head and fasten the straps to the front of the vest. Adjust the straps loosely around your waist, and as you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tabs. You may also manually inflate by blowing into the tubes on either side. You can activate a light in the water by pulling down on the tab in front. Also, most of our seat cushions may be used as a flotation device.
Thank you for your attention. All of this information is available in the passenger safety information card located in the seat pocket in front of you. Please take a minute to review. But first, bring your seat backs and tray tables to the upright positions. We'll be coming through to collect cups and glasses, and we'll be on our way shortly. As always, thank you for choosing Delta. Enjoy your flight.
We'll give you a little information on our video system on our new 757 aircraft. Once we have reached a cruising altitude of 10,000 feet, your little television screen in front of you will automatically come on. You may use your own personal headsets for the audio portion of the music or the television stations that we have on board. If you do not have your own personal headsets, after the captain has turned the fasten seatbelt sign off, flight attendants will be in the aisle selling Delta headsets. You may purchase a Delta headset at a fee of $2. You can then keep that Delta headset and use it on future flights at no additional charge. Also, after we have turned the fasten seatbelt sign off, you may purchase movies on the screen. There is a list of the current hits as well as old-time favorites. And you can purchase a movie with a credit card, or you can notify a flight attendant and pay cash. We do ask when you're using the video equipment that you do touch. It is a touch screen, and we do use the word touch because if you continue to hit it real hard, it will lock up on you, and we cannot then get it unlocked for quite a while. So just a light touch is all you need to access the different television stations and also the movie. Also on your screen, we do have, it's called Your Flight Today. It has In-Flight Explorer. This is a map across the country showing you where our aircraft is and what the flight time is, where we are over the United States. So if you're interested at any time, you may look at that portion too and see where we are as far as the airplane is over the United States. There's also games on that. Some of them are free and some of them there is a charge. Again, you may use credit cards or you may notify a flight attendant and pay cash. If you do have any questions, in the back of Sky Magazine there is more information on our video equipment. And after we do take off, if you do have further questions, please notify a flight attendant. Thank you.
And ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, we'd like to add our welcome aboard Delta 9691 service to San Francisco. Flying time just about 4.5 hours. Tell you a little more about the flight once we're up at our cruising altitude. Right now, we are number 2 in line for the runway. Flight attendants, listen to the captain for departure.